and welcome to another episode of Graco Garage. Before performing any work on your InvisiPac system, it's important to lock out and tag out both the electrical and air systems. Safety is the #1 priority. When locking out the InvisiPac, turn off the power, open up the power disconnect, and then place your lock through the disconnect and take your key. By locking out at the main power disconnect, that removes power from the 2 solenoids inside of the air control cabinet and depressurizes as well as de-energizes the entire system. As always, thanks for joining me again, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Graco Garage.